Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to give you full information of International Mathematics Olympiad, that is IMO. First of all, I will talk about the Mathematics Olympiad, then how can you register for Mathematics Olympiad, then syllabus for students from class 1st to class 10th, and finally how to prepare for Mathematics Olympiad. So now, first of all, talking about Mathematics Olympiad, as we know that the mathematics is one of the important and scoring subject that required students to master concepts. One of the most essential element of mastering mathematics is through practice, and International Mathematics Olympiad is one such platform where students are trained to understand its basic. The Olympiad exam also forms a base for students to score well in their academics. It gives students an edge over the others to solve tricky questions. Now talking about how can you apply for Indian Talent Olympiad. Interested schools can participate in Mathematics Olympiad by registering online with the Indian Talent Olympiad from the link which is given in the description. Students can approach their subject teacher and enroll for the same. Several schools in India have tied up with ITO. Teachers often identify students who have a flair for math and encourage such students to participate in national and international level competition. Schools can download the registration form available on Indian Talent Olympiad website. Indian Talent Olympiad rewards deserving students with prizes and awards who top in Mathematics Olympiad exam. To register, you can watch form on your screen. In the form, you have to fill student name, parent email address, parent name, mobile number, school name, password, student standard. In address, you have to fill country, state, city, district, pin code. And then you have to select your monthly Olympiad test or select your annual Olympiad subject. By filling up the form, you can register yourself on Indian Talent Olympiad, and the link of that form is also given in the description area. Now talking about the syllabus of the International Mathematics Olympiad. The syllabus for this exam is the same as prescribed by all boards in the country. However, you can check out the topics for each class from the link which is given in the description area. And now talking about how to prepare for Mathematics Olympiad. Preparation is required most when the student is participating in any competitive exam such as International Mathematics Olympiad. Indian Talent Olympiad introduced Maths Olympiad workbooks and previous year question papers for class 1st to class 10th students. The study materials are framed by the subject experts. The questions are in MCQ format and covers topic from the updated syllabus. Olympiad preparation made easier with Olympiad preparation materials. And at last, you might be thinking that how many levels are there in Maths Olympiad? The answer is Indian Talent Olympiad conducts it in one level. It provides immense practice before the final exam. Students can practice variety of questions through the online test series, also called the weekly test at home. The final exam is scheduled to be held in December and February and respectively. To apply for this Olympiad, participants must register themselves on the official website of Indian Talent Olympiad and be a part of this prestigious examination. Students from class 1st to class 10th can take part in the same. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.